Good afternoon. This is Rolita Nova, your Thrive Coach, and I'm coming to you this afternoon for a very brief video. So this afternoon, what I'd like to talk to you about is 3 questions to better health in retirement. Most of the time when we start to think about our retirement, we start thinking about financial planning. We think about our health insurance and what that's going to look like. But today I want to talk to you about, have you thought about what your health will be like in retirement? What type of health will you experience after you retire? So today's question, number 3, is, have you thought about what activities you enjoy doing? Have you thought about what exercises you enjoy doing? Things that you'd be willing to do every day if you had the opportunity. Because once you retire, that's exactly what you'll have, is the opportunity. So today's question is, what activities and exercises have you thought about? I've written a brief article about it. If you're interested in reading more, just click the link below this video and it'll take you right to it. Hope you're having an outstanding day. See you next time.